Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram feed on a WordPress website. So for this, all you need to do is go to a website called Elfsite, and then you want to click on widgets right there, go to social, and then right there you'll find Instagram feed. You want to click on that. Next up, click on create widget at the top right corner. You'll then end up on this page where you can choose a template. You can choose slider, grid, hashtag showcase, college, post slider, and single post. For this video, I'm going to go with the post slider. Next up, click on continue with this template and then enter your Instagram username right there. You can actually customize the layout, colors, and more. I'm not going to get into that right now because I don't like to waste your time, but I'm pretty sure that you can figure that out on your own. But next up, click on join to install and sign up for an account on Elfsite. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. Once you're signed up for an account, all you need to do is click on save at the top right corner, and then you can actually copy the HTML code. So click on add to website and then click to copy right here. Next up, go to WordPress. This is just a random page that looks terrible. I don't even use this, but you can click on the plus icon, click on short code, then paste that code in there, and then hit preview. And then right there, you'll find the Instagram feed. So as of right now, this doesn't look that good on this website, but you can customize this, like I said, by going to Elfsite and then pretty much copying it. So click on edit right there and then customize it. But that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.